Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I want to do a really quick video to share with you a mystery box destash. I have had these before. I am really trying to clean out my craft room with items that I do not use any longer. Most of the items in these boxes are either brand new or gently used. They are jam-packed with a ton of product, and each one of these boxes I am asking $55 shipped, so that means that includes your shipping. They will each be shipped out in a large priority box, and if you guys don't know, each one of the shipping prices for a large priority box is $21.50. So you're getting a great deal on the items in these boxes. There is over $200 worth of product in each one of these boxes, and that is a low guesstimate. I will have a short clip of going over the boxes before I seal them up. You will see that they are all full to the top and packaged really securely and safely so that it'll arrive to you in the best condition possible. Now, I can't go over each one of these. I do have 7 of these available. I will update the description box down below with the availability of each one of them. For my destashes, my rules are US only. You can either pay by PayPal, friends and family, or I also do accept Venmo. It will be first come, first served. And if you are interested, please email me. I will have my email address on the screen as well as in the description box. That will be the only way that you can get a hold of me to claim one of these boxes. So I'm just going to go over really quickly the items that may be in the boxes. So I have wafer thin dies, steel roll dies, stamps, coloring mediums, stickers, embellishments, Tim Holtz products, yarn, laces and trims, tools, glitter and sequins, storage items, planner items, ink pads, embossing powders, paper punches, paper straws, and much more. I did try to distribute all of the items evenly throughout the boxes so that there is a variety in each one of these boxes. So again, I have 7 of these available. They will each be $55 shipped. So that means that $21.50 of the $55 is just for shipping. So you guys are getting an incredible deal for a ton of product. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me. Once I confirm that the box is available, you will have 1 hour to pay, and if I don't receive your money, I will move on to the next person in line. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out my destash video. I just really need to get rid of these items. They're taking up a lot of space, and I want them to go to homes that will actually use them. So stay tuned for a quick overview of the boxes before I close them up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back really soon with another video. Bye everyone.